welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so continuing with my series while I'm packing my house and moving, all about that base series. I don't even know what video number of that this is right now as I'm recording. But I am going to be working with some interesting colors today. My base paint, first of all, this is an 11 by 14. I'm running out of 12 by 16s, and I think I had to do a few on an 11 by 14. So this is an 11 by 14, and color I'm using is Naples Yellow Red. That is my color. It is a fully opaque color. All right, so this is going to be interesting. I don't know if it's more like an orange. Like this to me looks like an orangey peach kind of color, but it's called Naples Yellow Red. This looks nothing like yellow and it looks nothing like red. So it's a very strange name for this color, but it'll be interesting to see what it looks like. Now keep in mind it will dry darker, and I've already gone ahead and painted my edges. I'm doing that with all my base paintings. So I'm gonna, and I just take a paintbrush and I literally just dip it in here and do my sides. Paint my sides. So the colors I'm going to be using, again, Pinterest. I am going to be using Mauve by Holbein. Then I've got a yellow. This is Naples Yellow, okay? This is Naples Yellow by Amsterdam. Now that actually looks yellow to me. Then I have the Pearl Lilac by Arteza. And then topping it off, which I just got purple paint in because I just did the purple painting. We've got Primary Magenta by Winsor & Newton. So those are my colors. Here's my very interesting base color. And of course, using the flower hairdryer. So this is going to be interesting. So far, Pinterest has not steered me wrong in terms of my colors. So Pinterest is very good so far at picking out really good colors. So let's see how this one turns out. So I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, everybody. So as you can see, the base is ready, covered. The bubbles have been popped. So let's get started. So because this is a smaller canvas, I'm not going to do a wispy design. I think I'm just going to make it super simple on this one and just do a diagonal across and just blow it out like that. So, or maybe just like a moon shaped, but I'm not going to do anything fancy with this one because it is a smaller canvas. So let's see, which way do I want to do it though? I guess it doesn't really matter. So let's just go this way. And as I do that, I realize this is a Holbein paint and I literally squeeze the heck out of it, which I shouldn't have, because the Holbein paints are so rich in color that they do tend to take over, and I have a feeling this is going to be a problem now. So to hopefully try and fix that problem, I'm going to squeeze even more of the other colors on top. And then we're going to have a heck of a lot of paint on here. I can't believe I did that with the Holbein. Look, it's eating up my yellow. So this probably isn't going to be a good idea with the Holbein because I just totally put way too much on there. I thought about adding gold to this, but I thought, you know what? Now I'm going to leave gold out for a change in this painting. I've been using gold a lot, so I thought, let's leave it out. So the only shimmer in this one is really going to be only the Pearl Lilac by Arteza. So we'll see what happens. All right, let's pop the bubbles. Look at what's going on there, eh? Look at those cells popping up, or whatever you want to call those. All right, so I don't really have a plan on how to blow this. Look at the mauve is just really taking over there. So I'm gonna, I guess, blow down into here and, I don't know, work my way. I'm kind of worried about this one because I really did just muck up and put too much mauve, but let's see. I wonder if I should add some more yellow because it's gonna disappear. I don't know. I think the mauve is gonna eat it up. I don't know. All right, well, it is what it is. You know that saying, so let's just see what happens. Wow, I'm actually pleasantly surprised. So for starters, I'm really happy I added that top bead of yellow because you can see it here, right here. And the mauve did not overtake the center. At least I don't think so. I think there's a lot of magenta in here. That's what I'm seeing a lot of. But I'm extremely, extremely pleasantly surprised. And I'm really happy I added that yellow in there because it would have been lost for sure. Absolutely. And I love the composition and I'm really liking the colors. It's going to be interesting to see how it dries. Now, there's one squiggle line here of magenta that I don't like, so I erase that with my fingertip. And then I will fix that with my squeeze bottle. But I love it. It's pretty, it's different, it's unique. The colors are just something I would have never thought of putting together. But again, this is something I find on Pinterest and it seems to work. So I am going to fix up my edges and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. So the more I look at this, the more I love it. And it's just such a simple composition and I really, really like it. So get your stick and I will scrape the drips. Don't forget to scrape your drips. All right, do it all the way around. Come back 10 minutes later. All right, so let's check out the close-up on this one. So you've got some really gorgeous cells happening here and look at that. My instincts to add that yellow on the top was spot on. I'm so glad I did that. I would have been pretty disappointed if I had lost a lot of that yellow in there. It's really pretty. You see, when I go far back, the true color of the Naples, the base shows up. But when I go too close, it really lightens it up and changes it. So that's not the true color. This is the true color. So I'm going to try and stay, or maybe I can zoom in like that. And then that way you guys can see the true color. I'm really happy with this piece. If anyone is interested in this little beauty, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. All right, let's check it out with the flash on. So I'm not sure what we're going to see here because the only pearly metallic was the Arteza. See, and I go close and then it changes the color on me. But only the pearl was metallic. So there's going to be some shimmer in here for sure. There, you can see a little bit of it there. I'm sure if I added 24 karat gold, it would just glow. But actually that right there, when this dries, wherever the pearl lilac is, it will glow. I assure you that. So there you have it, everybody. I would love to know, as usual, what you guys think about this in the comments below. I really like it. I love the colors. I love the simplicity of the composition on this one. And it'll be interesting to see how dark it dries. So let me know in the comments. Everything is listed in the description for information. And that is it for me. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching this one. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.